Linstead, how we gonna? Alright now. Wicked and mad as some started full speed tapping I hard. Nobody enough to call me. She fully load like banger when you charge it. Mama bubble for the boss, now pause it.
Yo, it's when artists at and social media influencer them at.
Exactly.
And them a burn up the place, and when you go up on YouTube, you just see them and you just turn on the Instagram, you see them. And on radio, them have the girl, them a shake and a boom and I saw you go, man.
Make you roll like, hey, whoa.
People, we have denocrazy in our place.
What's going on?
Damn, man, everything good. First, we have a big up Linstead, okay? I know so
that
place
is
that,
it.
you know. Yeah, we're outside. So I pray.
Wait, before we get there, I'm just ask you a question. Well, I'll tell the people them your tea white and
no, you have to do them, man, because you are going to entertain, you have to smile.
White
yes.
White you have to clean it up, you know, you have to cheer something, boy, you know? Yeah.
All right, Deno, first of all, more you explain to the people them.
Yeah.
Thunder. Oh, you even come up with a concept for these songs, though.
As we say, we're creative, you know. I want to tell you, say, I sent Vincent with the when we freestyle a song there, you know, it wasn't even a song, you know.
Yeah.
You know, but then I studio, I freestyle it on the live and 450 years and say, yo, I like the hook there, that bad. You know? So same time you just jump in the studio and record and it just start from this. So
boy,
you know what I mean?
Why didn't you just all of a sudden you're just an artist?
From everything straight.
As we say, we have to utilize the talent. We can't just stay one place and we're taking out one. But you're artists too.
Yeah.
So what I'm saying right now. Positive.
Right over there,
So we have to show the world so we have talent.
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Right.
So we just do our thing. You know what I mean?
And you and 450 seem to have this great chemistry though. Was it like a choice for you to say it's him or somebody else for this song, or it was just like it's him?
No, man. I
par.
want management, man, you know?
Yeah.
So that's the par.
Yeah.
So, you know, when I studio, I freestyle and him forward for doing work and him just hear it. So him just forward upon the song same time and it makes sense.
How do you feel though that another one of your songs is currently trending, especially over TikTok? You have to show me a look at dance there and a look at something there.
I never catch it myself.
Yeah,
I never catch it myself, you know what I mean?
Okay.
So, as me I say, it's a great feeling to say, yo, everything will touch turn goal.
Yes,
you know,
it's a
I want no image with us, I do what we love. You know what I mean? So I tell you, them say, yo, just do what you love and do it with energy. Good energy.
Yes.
You know, positive, same way.
Boy, Deno, what do you mean I watch up on the gram? When they fly out, when the visa run and things.
I tell you.
Well, I mean, like how you use up just, you know what I mean, different space and just make it work for you.
His creativity.
Yo, I go and watch it, the Instagram, and I say, yo, that, you know, enough of them things that we're doing now, there are real things in our lives.
As you say, liquid, you have to just be different, you know.
Yeah.
Enjoy yourself. You're young now, enjoy the moment, enjoy everything, you know. As me I say, yo, one time we couldn't get for do it.
Yeah.
So we get for do it now, so we just live a life and do what we do. You know what I mean? A life, you know.
Love what you do what you love.
Yeah,
love what you do.
Don't seem like your work at all.
Yeah, because we find it fun. You know, even sometimes you know you have some depressing day, but you can't really make them day. You shake that off and say, alright, work mode.
Yeah.
You know? So my local leisure time at studio. Good. So I like the music. Cause my father, from them time they love mix and
Where your father? Where your father?
Here you know. Where your
man, my
father?
father is a big selector.
No, man. I'm not know my father, man. You know.
All right.
Yeah.
All right, so Deno, what else do you have coming up? Cause you have Thunder now around the place. So what else? You have any look at you want?
I like surprise people, you know. So I always have something. Cause as I say, this is my life. Entertainment, what me love. So I have something in my book. You can't just live and you have to create same way in a private. You know what I mean? Right now you look
and surprise them.
Yeah, surprise them.
All the while.
Yeah, all the time.
All right, so where can we see you performing next? Tell the people what's going on for you right now.
Trust me, we have a whole heap of show. We have a show in New York, the 10th of December, that's my father's birthday.
Yeah.
We have 26th of November in Florida, Tampa, Florida. You see me, and New Jersey.
Okay.
You see me, so we have a whole heap of show forward, and plus Jamaican show too.
Yes.
You see me, so we are do good, you know. And we like the experience too. Because sometimes you have to build your little.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? So we are do good, man.
Well, we're proud of you and we're enjoying the music. Most of all, we're enjoying the music and we're loving the music. Good positive energy,
the
positive
vibes.
vibes.
The video them and everything.
A vibe, you know, in everything.
But do you know, I don't stop it. You know, say I don't want you stray from the acting though, you know.
You're mad?
I look forward to a series or something on Netflix, you know, bro.
Oh, there you go.
Or a nice series on the YouTube or a nice series on our TV channel or something, bro.
Yeah.
Just me.
You have that thing there, you know. But that's how I make you know. Yeah, the acting thing there. Yeah, capitalize on it.
You know, because as we say, we have a whole heap of project. Kalila can tell you, you know, we're always active. So, as we say, we have a whole heap of little things.
Good, all right.
You know what I mean?
We like the surprises.
Yeah.
Just
watch. I'm a man. My word is my word. No, from say when I get this, and that to not get enough.
Okay.
You see me? Can believe.
Well, me have fun, you know, so me see what happens.
Yeah, we're going to drop a song right now. We have to do it.
Ready, Lindsay, listen.
There you go. Hey.
You may have freestyle, brother.
Ready, man?
You can't give me a freestyle.
Ready.
Hey, it's your boy Denocrazy, your meteorologist here.
Give one
and today, it's gonna be very thundering. She make you roll like thunder. Be a bit up in
under.
Like. Yeah, she love. Wicked and mad. Alright. Lindsay, over now. Alright now. Wicked and mad as some started. Full speed tap in her yard. Nobody enough to call me. She fully load like banger when you charge it. Mama bubble for the boss, now pause it. Walk past it, come up party, do anything for your artist.
What she do?
She make you roll like thunder, load like.
Lord of Israel. Yo, Deno, go on with the Christmas. Go on with the Christmas here, sir. You're on 450, go on with the Christmas.
And for all the people that out there, listen, you have to go over TikTok and you have to go learn the local dance. Because when we got the party, them we can't stop and still song.
No, you have to catch a thing.
Hey,
you have to catch a thing.
You know, all them. Yeah, you have to catch a dance, man.
Big up Javi, you know.
Yeah,
man, production.
Javi for myself all the time.
Yes, man.
Deno, thank you so much for stopping by. We appreciate it. Keep doing you. Keep going strong. I will say positive music, positive energy. We love it.
Yeah, for just think positive and move positive. Same way.
Yes.
You see me? So I can big up some people, no?
Go ahead,
yeah,
of course.
I big up my place, you know, Victoria Street, you know. All a pipeline, all rock, you know. Lemmeridge, big up on yourself. All Market Street, all I hustler them. Just big up on yourself and go and work or dream out there, you know.
Yeah.
You see? Just go and live and enjoy yourself and pray. You see me? Yeah.
All right, Zipsocrats, listen, I tell you, surprise, look how we're surprised now.
Yeah, man.
And it's a good surprise too, you know.
Yeah,
all right,
Deno, big up here, bro.
Liquid, man.
Catch y'all tomorrow. Bye.